So I started live streaming here. Let me go there and make it live. Yeah, it's live. Sure. We can start. Rajkumar Mohan.
I will share the document.
Yeah, I can share it.
Is it visible?
Yes, it is.
Okay. So we have done 11 shlokas till the last class. So do I have to review that, or I will just start from 12th? I think I'll start from the 12th. That's what I think.
Yes, sure.
But we don't have time that much. So.
Okay.
So let's start with the 12th shloka. Shloka is like this. So Yadadityagadam tejo jagat bhasayate khilam yachandramasi yachagnau tattejo vidhi mamakam. That is the shloka. So let's do the padacheda. That is, you split the split the words into individual words so that we can understand it better. So yet adityagadam tejaha jagat bhasayate akhilam yet chandramasi yet agnau tat tejaha vidhi mamakam. That is the padachedam. Here the kriya padam is vidhi. So the simple sentence will be mamakam tejaha vidhi. What is mamakam? What is mamakam? It means my. Tejaha is the splendor, energy, glow, radiance. You can take any of them. All of them will fit here. So Bhagavan says, Adityagadam tejaha. Whatever tejaha or splendor in Aditya, that is Surya, that is sun, that teja is jagat bhasayate akhilam. Akhilam jagat bhasayate. The entire world is being illumined by the tejas of Aditya. So Bhagavan says that teja is from me. And then he continues and says, Yat chandramasi. Yat tejaha chandramasi. In whatever teja or the splendor or the radiance comes from Chandra, that is moon, is also mine. Chagnav. Agnav means fire. Whatever the teja in fire is also mine. So how will we form the simple sentence out of this shloka? So we can say, as I told, the simple sentence is Mamagam Tejaha Vidhi. So we'll say, Yed Adityagatam Tejaha Akhilam Jagat Bhasayate Yed Chandramasi Yed Agnaucha Tat Tejaha Mamakam Vidhi. So it comes something like that. You can also interchange here and there, where we can, because there are three tejas, you can say first anything in the beginning or the end. That doesn't matter. So basically, all the tejas, all the splendor, all the radiance, all present in Surya or the sun or Chandra or the moon or Agni or the fire, all are from me. That's what Bhagavan says. It's a very simple shloka. Here, there are no complications. Is there any explanation required of any word, any usage?
Yeah, I'm looking at the words here. I think Akhilam and Khilam.
Akhilam means the entire, complete.
Complete, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that was one.
Akhilam Jagat Bhasayate. The entire world is illumined by Surya. That's what it means.
I think, yeah, that's fine.
So let's then go to the next shloka. Gamavishya cha bhutani dharayamyaham pushani chaushadhihi sarvaha somo bhutva rasatmagaha. That is a shloka. Gam avishya. Gam, it means earth. Gau actually can have many meanings. So in this context, it is earth. Even cow is one meaning, senses, even light is another meaning. There are many meanings possible for Gau. But here in this context, it is earth. So Gam Avishya. Avishya means Pravishya. That means entered, after entering, because Avishya, that usage itself means after entering. Okay. That means something Kritva, you do something else. So that kind of usage it is. So what Bhagavan did after Avishya, after entering into earth, Dharayami aham ojasa bhutani. Aham sarvani bhutani mama ojasa dharayami. Using my ojas and tejas are similar. Using my power, using my what do I say, energy, I hold, I sustain all the bhutani. That means all the living beings or everything on earth. That's what actually the first part of it means. I didn't actually put the padachedam. So I'm sorry. Like Gam Avishya, you can say Gam Avishya cha bhutani dharayami aham ojasa pushnami cha aushatihi sarvaha somaha bhutva rasatmakaha. That is a padacheda. Here the kriya padam is dharayami. That means hold. I hold. I sustain. That is the kriya padam. What I sustain is there are two kriya padams here. Pushnami is another kriya padam. Pushnami. Pushnami means I actually nourish. So Bhagavan says, Gam Avishya Bhutani aham ojasa dharayami. Using my energy, I hold all the bhutani on the earth. After entering the earth, I do this activity. That is what it actually means. And the second one, he says, Pushnami. Aushatihi Pushnami. Sarvaha Aushatihi Pushnami. How? Somo Bhutva Rasatmakaha. I become the moon. What kind of moon is Rasatmakaha moon? Rasatmaka, Rasa is, you can translate into maybe sap or something which makes it juicy. Because he's talking about the Aushatihi. So the plants, he makes it juicy or he makes it full of sap. How? By becoming the moon. That part, the scientific way, I don't know how actually it happens, but Bhagavan says, Somo Bhutva, Dasatmagaha Somo Bhutva, Sarvaha Aushatihi Pushnamicha. So I become the moon and I nourish all the plants. That is what the second part means. So there are two sentences, Dharayami and then Pushnami. Other two Kriya Padani. Aham Dharayami, Aham Pushnami. Got that? Simple sentences for those. Is it clear? Anywhere any explanation required?
I think some of the words that are there here.
Which one you would like to know more?
Pushnami is nourishment, you said, right?
Yeah, nourish, yeah. Poshanam Karomi, that is what it basically means.
Yeah. And Aushadhi is the plants which are...
Plants, yeah. Aushadhi technically means medicinal plants, but here it is plants.
Plants.
Aushadham is medicine.
Right. Okay. And Dharayam, I think, yeah, sure. I think that it's all... anyone else has any questions also? I'll proceed to the next one.
Okay, yeah. Then I'll move to the next one because of time problem. So,
yeah.
Okay. So next one is very famous shloka. Aham Vaishwanaro Bhutva Praninam Dehamasritaha Pranapana Samayuktaha Pajamyannam Chadurvita. So that is the shloka. The Kriya Padam is Pachami. Pachami means to digest.
Digest, okay.
Yeah. So Padacheda is Aham Vaishwanaraha Bhutva Praninam Dehamasritaha. It can be done together also. Praninam Dehamasritaha can also be done. Pranapana Samayuktaha, that is a single word. Pachami Annam Chaturvidham. So, gist of the sloka is, I become the Vaishwanara and then Annam Pachami. That is what Bhagavan says. The Vaishwanaraha is the Jadharagni, that is the fire inside one's tummy that digests the food. So Bhagavan says, Aham Vaishwanaro Bhutva. Here also look at it. Bhutva, he says, after becoming Vaishwanara. The previous sloka, if you look at it, it says Gam Avishya. Okay. So after doing the Praveshanam in earth, entering earth. So here, after becoming Vaishwanara, Praninam Deham Ashritaha Pranapana Samayuktaha Vaishwanaraha Bhutva. Aham Chadurvidham Annam Pajami. That is a simple sentence. So in when you say what is the Chadurvidham Annam, there are actually 4 types of food are there. If I look into Shankara Bhashyam, Shankara says, one second, there are 4 types of food. That is Bhakshyam, Bhojyam, Peyam, Choshyam. These are the 4 types. Basically, what exactly it means is, one second, I can tell. It is here. Okay. So it is Bhakshyam is actually like what you eat, like a cake kind of food, which you don't need to chew that much. Just put it in the mouth and then you can swallow it. Second is actually Bhojyam. Bhojyam is like payasam. It's a little bit of liquidy, and then you basically don't need to do that kind of effort, because you can see the cake and the payasam are different kind of food. As well, one is solid, one is semi-liquid. The third is actually lehyam. That is a kind of ice cream kind of food. If you lick and eat it, so that is a kind of lehyam. Then there is other one is called Choshyam. Choshyam is the one which you have to chew quite hard. For example, the sugar cane, or even if you take the chips, which is hard, you have to chew quite a lot. So these are the 4 types of food which you actually Pajami, Annam, Chaturvidham. These are the 4 different types of food which is being mentioned here. So if I look at maybe, but it is, I was just looking at the Samskrita Bharati's explanation, so that is totally in Sanskrit. So I'll skip it here. So this is basically the fun meaning of this. So is there any explanation required?
Let's see. So Vaishwanaro is the fire of digestion, right? It is.
Yeah, Vaishwanaraha is the fire of digestion. Vaishwanaro is the usage comes from the Sandhi. So,
why have they said only prana and apana, not the other 5 vayus?
Yeah, that question I also have. Basically, even Shankara Bhashyam says only prana, apana, samyuktaha. Only 2 pranas he is saying. I don't have that much technical expertise. I can actually tell maybe next class, because I have a Swami to whom I can actually discuss this with. So this one I am not 100% clear why only 2 pranas are mentioned here. When Shankara Bhashyam, if you look at Shankara, Bhagavan Shankara says only this much. There is nothing else.
Yeah.
So, this is Vaishwanara Bhutva. So the translation is something like this: becoming the fire in the stomach, the Vaishwanara, and dwelling in the bodies of living beings conjointly with the in-breath and out-breath. I digest all kinds of foods, the 4 types of food. That's what the Shankara Bhashyam says, the translation of Shankara Bhashyam. So if you want the original Sanskrit one, I can read it out, but there also only prana and apana are mentioned, nothing more.
Correct. Yeah. Sorry, here also it says that taking the form of the fire lodged in the body of all creatures and united with the prana ingoing and apana outgoing breaths, it is I who consume the four kinds of food. And that's
Right,
what.
yeah.
And you told us about the four kinds of food, right? So that's
Yeah, actually, my confusion also was that prana and apana are breath, going inside and the breath going outside. How that is connected to the fire in the tummy? That was my connection. So I have a question. So I didn't understand. I don't know. So I will find it out and then I will talk about it in the next class.
Yeah.
So maybe then we can move over to the Sanskrit part.
sure.
Thank you.
So who's going to go about that? Is it going to say the beginning?
Together, Pagini, would you like to?
My voice is not working.
Oh, okay.
So,
Okay. Then do you want me to continue or?
Yeah, sure. I think that you can do that. Yeah.
No problem. Yeah. So we have done so far how to introduce oneself. That is Mama Nama Bhavataha Nama.
Yes.
And then we have done basically usage of Saha, Sa, Tat, Yeshaha, Yesha, Edat.
Yes.
So this much is clear as its usage wise. Do you want me to review them?
Maybe once more. Yeah. I mean, you had the next one going on. What's the next?
Okay, I can do the next one. That's no problem.
Can do that.
There is one. Okay, I will share the. I also don't know what actually this document. But one second, let me take it.
Sure.
There is some abhyasa of what actually we did. So shall we do that?
Yeah, sure. Good. It's up to you. Yeah. Good.
Yeah,
Whatever.
we'll do that. Okay. So let me share. Is it visible?
Yes. Sure.
Okay. So these are basically what we already have covered.
Right.
So the question is Edat Kim. So you have to. Do you know the Sanskrit word for a chair? Manasvi. Edat Kim translates to what is this?
Yeah.
Etat asandaha.
Asandaha.
Asanga.
Asandaha.
Etat asandaha.
Etat asantaha. Eshaha asantaha. Both are correct.
Etat kim eshaha asandaha.
Etat kim. Oh, what is this one? Etat kim is a table.
Etat kim.
Etat utpitika. Utpitika.
Utpitika.
So here, did you notice this is previous one was asandaha, it is pullingam. Utpitika is strilingam. Is coming. So
Correct.
here, etat kim, if somebody asks a question, you have to use the strilinga and then answer. Here, in the first one, you have to say etat kim, etat utpitika, you can say. Etat kim, here you can say using the strilinga shabda. You remember though? Esha utpidika. Esha utpidika. Is there any confusion with this?
No, I think the words I did not know, so that's.
Esha.
Yeah.
Is the pullingam and strilingam.
Yeah.
When it is nearby. Okay. Esha, edat. These are the three ones.
Correct.
When the object is nearby. When the object is away, it is saha, sa, and tat. Okay. So,
this is eshaha, esha, etat. That is taha, sa, and tat.
So, what is the Sanskritam for a star? It is nakshatram. Edat kim nakshatram is actually ends with so it is actually a neutral gender, napumsak gender. Edat kim, so the answer would be edat nakshatram.
Nakshatram.
Edat kim, what is the Sanskrit for a mirror?
Chakshu something.
Darpanaha.
Darpana. Yeah, darpana. Darpan.
So you can say eshaha darpanaha. You can say etat darpanam. You can say, because darpanam I think is also valid, if I remember correctly. Edat kim. So the answer would be eshaha darpanaha. Okay.
Esha darpana.
Etat kim. What is this one? That's a bed, is it not?
Bed, yeah.
Any idea what it would Sanskritam for that? Manchaha.
Mancha.
And there is another word also called shayya is also there.
What's that?
Shayya. Shayanam karodi. So whatever thing you do the shayanam is shayya. Here manchaha. Manchaha is a pullinga. Shayya is a strilinga. Manchaha. Edat kim eshaha manchaha. That is the answer. So next time you have to say edat kim. What is this one? This is a shelf kind of thing.
Right.
I think avathanika or something. No, nidhanika. That is nidhanika. Nidhanika is strilingam. So it is esha nidhanika. This is actually a lamp. Okay?
Lamp, yeah.
So what is the? This is an electric lamp, you can say. You can say also lamp also. And what is the Sanskrit word for that?
Deepaha.
Deepaha.
Deepa, Deepa.
Deepaha. Vidyut Deepaha. That is also correct.
Vidyut Deepa.
Vidyut actually because electricity. Vidyut Deepaha.
Vidyut Deepa.
That's also Pullinga Padam. Deepaha, Vidyut Deepaha. Yeshaha Vidyut Deepaha.
Vidyut Deepa.
What is this one? Two-wheeler.
Cycle.
If you think two-wheeler, you will be able to find. That is a word.
Yeah. Or two-wheeler.
There are two.
Dvai.
Chakram,
Dvai chakra?
Dvichakrika.
Dvichakrika. Okay, good.
Yeah, Dvichakrika. So
Dvichakrika.
it's a two-wheeler. So that is again ending with ka. That means it's a Strilinga Padam. Yesha Dvichakrika.
Dvichakrika.
So what is this one? This is a flashlight.
Flashlight, torch.
Yeah. Because it is a light. You can say Deepaha. You can say that's also correct. But since it is being held in a hand, it is called Karadibaha. I think that is what the word is. Karadibaha.
Karadipa.
It's also Pullinga Padam. Karadibaha. Edat Kim. Edat Kim, any idea? I think it's a doll or a toy or something.
महोदय बालकः एतद् बालकम्
Balakaha nasti. I think it is a doll, if I remember correctly. This is, you can say it's a balika or a balakaha. You can say.
Yeah.
Yeshaha balakaha, yesha balika. Both of them are
Panchalika.
Panchalika, I think it's a doll. So Panchalika is the answer given here.
Okay.
Panchalika.
But if it is like a child, then it is what Manasi said, right?
Child, if the girl child, balika.
Balika.
Okay.
Yeah.
Boy is balakaha.
Balakaha. Panchalika is the doll.
Panchalika is the doll, and it's a Strilinga Padam because it's ending with a.
Right.
Mahodaya, could you say Shishu? Shishuhu? You say Eshaha Shishuhu?
Shishuhu nasti etat. Esha. This is not Shishu, is it not this? Shishu. From the picture.
Baby, it's not.
Shishu is
Yeah,
infant.
from the picture. Yeah.
So the next one. What is this? Etat Kim.
Mapika.
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 Strilingam Esha Mapika.
Mapika.
Mapika. Mapanam karoti. Measures. Okay. What is this one? I have no idea what it is.
Graha, no, Mandapam.
Mandapa. Mandapa. I didn't know what the picture was. Mandapa is the one because I just peeked into it.
Yeah.
Mandapa. Eshaha Mandapaha.
Yeah.
Okay. What is this?
This is the sewing machine. So it
Sewing
is.
machine. Yes. Yes. Sivana Yantraha. If my memory is correct.
Oh, Sivana.
Sivana Yantram or Yantra? Sivana Yantram.
Sivana.
Sivana Yantram. It's a neutral gender. Etat Sivana Yantram.
So it is like two words together, right? Then Sivana is one, and then Yantram is another.
That's
machine.
correct. Yes, yes. Yeah. Araha, that is one. There is another one possible. Is Mala is possible.
Mala is also. Yeah.
Araha, I think it's right. Mala is the Mala.
Mala.
Mala is Strilinga. Strilinga Padam. Oh, okay.
Padika is okay.
Yeah, you can say Padukam. Padukam is different.
Okay.
This is Padatranam. Pada is feet. Tranam is that which protects. It is Padatranam.
Padatranam. Padatranam. So Pada is feet and Tranam is what?
That which protects. Trayate means to protect.
Oh, Trayate.
Yeah.
Padatranam. Okay.
What is this? This is a window.
Window.
So what is the Sanskritam?
Window.
Window is window is actually
Darshana.
no,
Darshan is seeing.
No. See, window is for the wind to enter and exit, is it not?
Okay. Vayu.
It's actually Vata Ayanam. That is Vata Ayanam is the window.
Vata.
It is the Margam. Ayanam is Margam.
Okay.
So entry exit for the window. Vata Ayanam.
Vata Ayanam. Okay.
This one.
Flower was flower.
Yeah.
Pula. Pushpa.
Pushpa Adhani. That is what. Adhani means that which actually holds. Pushpam.
Sorry. What's Adhani again?
Adhani is the one which actually holds.
Supports. Okay. Adhar. Yeah. Pushpadhani. Pushpadhani.
What is this? I also have to check. I don't remember. Kankataha. You are right. Yeah, Kankataha. Kankatam.
Kankatam. What's Kankata? Kankata is hair? Or?
No, it's a comb, is it not?
Yeah. Kankatam.
Kankatam. Kankatam. That is the way it is written. Kankatam. I don't know the root, so I have to go and check it out. What is this one? This is a curtain.
Vatayana Vastram.
Okay. This is called Javanika.
Oh, Javanika.
Javanika.
Okay.
That is a curtain.
Curtain.
Yeah. What is this one? It's a phone.
Yantram.
I think.
Some yantra.
No. This is called Duravani.
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 Oh,
Esha
Duravani.
Duravani. It's photo frame, right?
No, it's a photo.
Photo, okay.
Probably, I'm also guessing. It's a Chaya Chitram. That is my guess is. Bhava Chitram.
Bhava Chitram.
Portrait.
Yeah, Chitram is Bhava Chitram.
Okay.
This you might know.
Scissors is.
This is Kartari.
Yeah. Esha Kartari.
Kartari.
That is the scissors.
Kartari. Katri. Marathi it says Katri.
Huh?
Marathi word is Katri.
Oh, okay.
So this is Kartari. Okay.
This one we know. Petika.
Petika is correct. Yeah, it's a box.
Esha
Yana Petika. Yana is actually a vehicle for if you are for traveling. Car Yanam is actually car. Bus Yanam is bus. So Yana Petika.
Travel.
Travel box. Yeah. Suitcase. No. Next is actually asking a question like, for example, you can ask, is this Yana Petika? Yesha Yana Petika va? So then the answer would be if it is yes, na if it is not. That is the next lesson actually here. So let's go. So the question is here.
I think we got a lot of
Va,
words today.
Hmm?
We learned a lot of words today. It said.
That's correct. Yeah, this is actually a new usage, like
Yeah.
how to ask question and how to answer them.
Right.
Like this is a vrikshaha. You can say eshaha vrikshaha va. That means is this a tree? That is a question.
Hmm.
So you can say if it is a tree, eshaha vrikshaha. You can say if it is not a tree, na eshaha vrikshaha na. These are the two answers possible.
Hmm.
Okay. So etat pustakam va, that is a question. Picture is that of a vriksha. So etat pustakam na etat vriksha. That is the answer. So the next one we will maybe one of you can do. Okay. Oh, this is our same question. Na eshaha vrikshaha. So the question is etat griham va. Sanjan, can you try?
Etad griham va. Am.
Etat griham.
Am etad griham. Am etad.
Okay. This etat griham. Okay, that is the answer. So here the question is sa balika va sa balika. So this is the first thing. Second one, can you feel it? Dash balakaha va.
Etad balaka va.
No. Balakaha is a pullinga. So you have to use saha balakaha va. So what is the answer if saha balakaha va?
Am. No.
Saha balakaha.
But yeah, it's balaka is the first one, right?
Yeah. Just look at the let's look at the answer given here. Sa balika. So here saha balakaha. Okay. So the next one is actually a door. So dash dwaram dash. So who wants to try?
Tat aramba.
It's etat, right? No, etat dwaram.
Dwaram is actually a neutral napumsakalingam. So based on that.
Etat, right? No.
Etat or tat, both are because it is maybe a
Tat
distance.
dwaram va.
Tat dwaram va. Answer?
Am tad dwara.
Tam dwaram. Tat dwaram.
Am tvam va.
Tat dwaram.
Am tad dwara.
No, there's no va there. Okay. Look at the first answers. Sa balika. Okay. So here tat dwaram.
Am tat dwara. Okay.
So the fourth one, who wants to try?
Saha Sainikah va na saha Vaidya.
Super. Yeah, that's correct. The next one is Ranjan Mahoday?
Yeah.
Or Manasvi?
Manasvi can go.
Okay.
You want to try Manasvi? Manasvi, you want to try?
I think she's there. I don't know.
Yeah.
No, she's there. She's muted. So.
Yeah.
Maybe you can try Ranjan Mahoday. We will finish it off.
Yeah.
After
So which one is that? Yuvati, right? Sa Yuvati va. Na Yuvati.
No. Na sa
Yuvati.
Vruddha.
No sa Vruddha. Okay. No sa Vruddha. Okay. There is not that. This is Vruddha. Okay.
So the next one is Next one. Yeah, next one is, yeah, please go ahead.
Chitram.
Chitram is neutral gender, that is Napumsaka lingam.
Right.
So you can ask.
Etat Chitram Va.
Etat or Tat, whichever is correct. Because here everywhere it is the distant one is actually being used. So.
Yeah. So Etat Chitram Va. Na. Na.
Etat.
Na etat. Vahana.
Vahanam, correct. No, it's called Basyanam. That is
Bus.
Yeah. Bus is called Basyanam and car is called Karyanam.
Okay.
You can say Yanam or Vahanam. Both are
Vahanam. Okay. Vahanam.
So shall we stop here?
Yeah, I think we can stop here now. Yeah. It's almost time. So we'll do the prayers and then we'll be Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah Sarve Santu Niramayah Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kashit Dukha Bhag Bhavet Om Shanti 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 Hari Om Shri Guru Namaha Hari Om.
Dhanyawada.
Shubharatri. Shubha Divas for Manasvidya.
Rajagopal Mahantya, this.
Yeah, I'll stop recording now. You want to say something, Bhagini? Or should we stop recording?
If you stop the recording, then I'll ask.
Let me.
Recording stop.
Yeah, I'm going to stop it too.
So in that shared